Somebody was working on this, huh?
So, you want some candy? You're big kids. I have the candy under here.
It's wonderful.
Would you like a piece?
You be very careful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
May I have your picture?
Oh,
Over
sure.
here with
Yeah.
you?
That's
Oh, got it. You guys weren't scared at all.
I was scared. When he came out, that was a sincere
And with
show.
you too. With you too. Come.
Okay.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
You too.
Wow, a lot of pictures, Roger. You're well